Before we get into today's video about the horrible Call Me Chris, let me remind you that Ben of the Week became vegan because of me. So we should never give up. We should always keep talking to these famous people. We should always be appealing to their better side, try different ways, and thankfully Ben of the Week, over time, has decided to finally stop eating fish and all animal products. He has stated so publicly, and I'm very proud of him for that. I know it's very tempting for people like you to like people like Call Me Chris. She has these beautiful eyes and perfect skin, and she seems like a really sweet person. But the reality is that she lies to you. You cannot trust her.
Poke the bear.
I know that's what I'm doing.
Poke the bear. Poke the bear.
No, Chris. We prefer to save innocent animals rather than randomly attacking them, cutting them to pieces and sticking them on a barbecue.
Stop exploiting animals.
Go vegan for the animals.
Spontaneous Italian lesson. Lezione d'italiano spontanea. The peanut butter is to the left of the pumpkin seeds.
Il burro di arachidi è alla sinistra dei semi di zucca. Il burro di arachidi è alla sinistra dei semi di zucca.
Okay, let's try. Il burro di arachidi è alla sinistra dei semi di zucca. Practice makes perfect. Stay vegan. You're looking at AI footage. None of this is real. This is a pretend reporter. Everything here is fake, including the reporter. Just listen for a moment. Try to think about why this is absolutely terrifying and how this will influence how people treat the animals in the future. Think about how this will be used to hide the truth about how animals are treated.
Live from Clearwater Beach, where an unidentified... Just kidding, I'm not real. Angela Carter here, live from the Cedar Grove flood disaster. Just kidding, I'm not real. This is Dana Brooks reporting live from Ocean View Beach. Just kidding, I'm not real.
Aye, be careful of the ideas that you buy. If it's AI, it could be a lie. All right, so I want you to take a moment and just think about the animals who are suffering right now in factory farms by the billions. Think about the kind of videos that the meat, dairy, and egg industries are going to be putting out to try to make sure that you do not know the truth. I want you to think about how brave we have to be in the future.
Listen to Miss Katie. Stop exploiting animals and go vegan from now on.
You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know it's your duty to. Be brave, be vegan, the animals depend on you. To come to the rescue, you gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you. Cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery. It's the right thing to do. You gotta be brave, be vegan, you know it's your duty to. Animals depend on you. To come to the rescue, you gotta be brave, be vegan. Even if 99% of the world makes fun of you. Cause you're on the right side of history, and it's no mystery. It's the right thing to do. Yeehaw! Be brave, be vegan. Do it.
That vegan teacher, Miss Katie, is right. The animals need us. Go vegan.
We have to be brave enough to speak the truth. We cannot be afraid. And yes, it's true. They could even make videos about you, pretending that you did a crime that you never committed. It's going to be hell going forward. But we need to remember the victims. We need to remember that animals on factory farms, such as chickens and pigs and cows, are suffering right now. And we need access to what is going on there. The public needs to know, and they need real cameras in those places so that people can make informed decisions about what they buy, who they buy.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe
Be
Bartolozzi.
fucking vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watch
Be
vegan.com.
fucking vegan.
This is the truth. This is what was filmed, what really happens to the animals. Go and watch it right now on my YouTube channel so you know what you are paying for.
That vegan teacher is right.
When you become vegan, people like Call Me Chris will judge you. Why? Because they feel guilty doing nothing, while you're busy at least trying to do something to end animal exploitation. But don't let this discourage you. Stay on the path. Being vegan isn't about perfection, it's simply about doing your best. We don't have a vegan world yet, so once or twice a year you might not have a choice until companies start to manufacture more vegan products. Do your best. Start with 3 times a day on your plate and go from there. Avoid the nirvana fallacy, which is based on faulty reasoning. In other words, don't say, if there's no vegan markers, there's no point in me even trying to be vegan. Instead say, I will do my best to be as vegan as possible because the animals need me to at least try. Here are the rules. If you're buying food, buy the vegan options. If you're not sure what to do, Google, what is the vegan equivalent to, and then write what you're trying to replace. Yes, some things like markers, car tires, bricks, plastic bags, and some medications may contain some animal products. This sucks, but you can write the companies and ask them to work towards creating vegan alternatives. But no matter what, the animals need you, so don't quit. Stay vegan.
You know what? No matter how triggered you are, vegan teacher Miss Katie is 100% right. And you got to be vegan for the animals immediately.
I don't understand people. I don't understand the entitlement of people.
And going forward, make sure that you are brave. We need brave people on this planet to speak out. Yes, they could lie about you. Yes, they could do terrible things to you. But if you would be the victim one day, wouldn't you want people to speak out to defend you? Look how many people have massively attacked me and told all kinds of lies about me. And yet, I continue to speak out to defend the most innocent among us who never did a single thing wrong. And you can be brave too. You can be strong too. Find your spine, stand up straight, and tell the truth. Remind everybody that animals are here with us on the planet and not for us. And we need to protect them. If you're not vegan, you're paying for animal abuse. This is a fact. Don't let them lie to you. Don't get sucked in. Don't believe the meat, dairy, and egg industries. All they want to do is sell you products. You're smarter than that. Don't fall for it. Now, more than ever, it's imperative that you follow me on my Instagram account. It's called thatveganteacher Miss Katie. Remember that it's spelled like this, Kadie. When you get there, go to stories. Beware of fake accounts pretending to be me. We've got to be smarter from now on. We've got to be braver, and we have to show the truth. The innocent animals depend on us. She seems like a really sweet person, but the reality is that she lies to you. You cannot trust her. Inside of her are the innocent corpses of animals who wanted to live, and she has actively promoted hurting animals on her channel. Do not follow her, do not believe her, do not get sucked in by her beauty or anyone else in the future. Never let anybody trick you into eating animals or stealing their eggs or their milk, especially not people like her. Here's an example of a video that she created in order to try to sell you some candy. When I was in Texas visiting this home, her boyfriend, who she's in partnership with, told me that he himself never eats the candy. He doesn't eat junk food. He doesn't eat things high in sugar. Do not believe the lies that these people tell. If somebody is trying to sell you something, you can believe they will say anything at all in order to make sure that you buy that product. Don't get sucked in. All she wants to do is make money. Don't fall for it. Next thing you know, she'll be selling the corpses of innocent animals as well. Don't be like this bitch, don't be like Call Me Chris. Don't promote hurting chickens, pigs, or cows. Eating meat could give you cancer, but she doesn't give a fuck. So it's time to listen to scientists now. Don't be like this bitch, don't be like Call Me Chris. She pays people to masturbate bulls and with their sperms to rape a cow. Then she cries and says she's a victim, but somehow still eats cheese, so pays for murder of baby cows. Even now, why
to be so cruel? Has she never heard of the golden rule? She tells millions of kids to keep hurting animals. Who's paying her to do this? The meat industry, the dairy industry, the egg industry? Only a psychopath has this little empathy. Don't be like this bitch, don't be like Call Me Chris. Don't promote things that cause pain and pollution. Eating healthy vegan foods shouldn't cause a revolution. It protects you and the planet. It's the logical solution. Be kinder than Call Me Chris. Be vegan. Go to watchdominion.com to learn the truth she's trying to hide from you.
You can be better than everyone else who's following her. Be vegan from now on.
There's no excuse for animal abuse. Not religion, not an eating disorder, not peer pressure, not your monetary status. Don't eat animals, don't buy their bodies, don't steal their milk, their blood, or their honey. Don't wear their fur or their feathers. It is only by the grace of God that you are not in their skin. Each time you see a public display of meat, dairy, stolen eggs, or fur in an ad, give it the middle finger. Each time you see an animal suffering, run to help as if you were the victim. Each time it's time to eat, ask for and choose the vegan option. Don't be a bully to vegan children or anyone who has compassion for the animals. Heaven awaits those who do their part with a compassionate heart. Every vegan started out like you, thinking they could never be vegan. It was a crazy thing to do, and yet here they are, 100% vegan, speaking out on behalf of the victims all over the world. Never think that you can't be an ethical animal rights activist, because not only can you do it, but it's also your moral duty and your destiny. Be brave, be better, be vegan, be loved, and start now. Fact. Veganism isn't about food. Fact. Veganism isn't about the environment. Fact. Veganism isn't about your health. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay? Okay, so let's go over it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Okay, let's sing it. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Go to That Vegan Teacher on YouTube and search for The Truth About the Animals You Eat. It's only 8 minutes long. We don't buy meat. We don't buy dairy. We don't buy eggs. We don't buy leather. We don't buy fur. We don't buy wool or silk. We don't steal from animals. We don't eat cats, cows, dogs, pigs, chickens. We don't eat turkeys. We don't eat frogs. We don't eat anyone. We don't go to places like circuses if there's animals there, or zoos because those animals have been taken out of the wild. We don't go to places like SeaWorld because we don't believe in kidnapping whales and putting them in little swimming pools for people to gawk at. Yes, we get enough protein. Plants have protein. That's how elephants get so big and giraffes get so tall. Yes, we get enough vitamins and nutrients from all of the different foods that we eat. Yes, we take a B12 pill. It costs 5 cents. Yes, there are vegans in the Olympics. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated you can be vegan at all stages of development, including pregnancy and lactation. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. Sing it again. Veganism is a justice movement which states that humans should live without exploiting animals because, like children, animals aren't objects to be bought, sold, commodified, utilized, sexually assaulted, enslaved, or exploited in any way. It's not a diet. It's not a trend. It's not about you. It's about them, the animal victims. Leave them the fuck alone. Leave them the fuck. It's about them, the animal victims. Leave them the fuck alone.
Let's just spread some positivity.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.